cheap method, and it is available in every clinic and give us sometimes a good result. What happened from 2020, 2004? A lot of things happened in these 4 years. I can tell you the most important thing happened is the source of ScanBuddy. What I mean by the source of ScanBuddy? When I need ScanBuddy, who should I ask for the ScanBuddy? The implant company. Yes? You agree with me? So what happened in the 4 years, that the source of ScanBuddy become different. It not only the implant company, the prosthetic company enters the game, give us better scan geometry, better design. We know now that the problem in two things, the scan body and the soft tissue. What if the implant company is not responding to our needs? The prosthetic company give us a better solution and they give us a better scan body. And even the labs, mega labs like Gladwell Laboratory give us a kits and scan body to use it in full arch. What happened in 2024? Scanner company enters the game, which before this time, it's very strange. What's the business of a scanner company to enter and make a scan body? Because there is two problems. I speak about two problems, soft tissue and the scan body. Can you solve the problem of soft tissue? No, but you can help to solve the problem of scan body. Okay, so the scanner company enters the game. So we have now 4 sources of scan body. Implant company itself, prosthetic company, labs, and scanner company itself. So, splendid scan body, we begin to change ourselves the scan body. Like Tara Israeli, he is my friend from Egypt also. He make a modification of scan body and they make his publication about it changing the shape of scan body. This publication in GPT, it works, but it is not reliable. Why it is not reliable? Because he changed the shape of scan body and print it in his clinic. What's accuracy of the printer? It gives us a question mark. What's the accuracy of his printer to make the final scan body he used? So it was a very nice idea about we need to change the shape of a scan body, but nowadays it's not a reliable method. Another guy, unfortunately from Egypt also, called Mahmoud Fatah, he make a very special design of scan body. You see the scan body design and use it with I-500 in this time, and anybody ask Mahmoud Fatah 5 years ago, you had any problem with full arch? No, I had no problem. He had I-500 in this time, but he was smart enough to design a very special scan body design. But also, nowadays, it's difficult to depend on the accuracy of my printer to produce a scan body. So, me and another doctor from Romania asked Korean implant called Dentist to make a special design of a scan body. Dentist, and they make the scan body pro. It was very nice idea about to making extension arm, and you use it in your MeditX. So we use it and make. So now the modification not by ourselves, it made by the implant company. This is the second stage. So we make the modification by ourselves at first. Then the next stage we ask the implant company, please make modification for the scan body. So it works good, but also you include it in your Medit workflow. I think it is the first kit you include, yes or no?
No.
It's the first one?
No.
No? You include Apollo first?
It is, yes.
Apollo is the first kit you include in...
Yeah, Apollo and ScanLader.
Okay. Anyway, there is another company give us a solution and the kits. I want to give you a brief about this kit. I think ScanLader and Apollo in your software, others are not in your software. So, do you have data about Nexus Scan Buddy? You know it? Nexus Scan Buddy philosophy, it's a coded scan buddy. What I mean by coded scan buddy or calibrated scan buddy. Do you know the meaning of calibrated or coded scan buddy? After the company manufactured the scan buddy, it recalibrated, it re-scanned with probe scanner, not by non-touch scanner. Like, you know the difference? Probe scanner. So it takes the actual dimension of the scan body after manufacturing. After I manufacture a scan body, it will be minus or positive 5 micron, 6 micron according to the CNC and the quality control. You know this, okay? So after I manufacture the scan body, I take this scan body, then I recalibrate this scan body with probe scanner. Then now I am taking the actual dimension of this scan body, and I make a specific library for each scan body. So each scan body had a library. It's a very huge workflow. Okay, but this type of scan body didn't widespread because it is closed system. What I mean by closed system, you only take the scan and send the scan to the company in Australia or in an approved milling center. They make the procedures for you. So it is not an open system. You only take the scan. And they charge you a lot. They charge you like 3 to 5K US dollar for only one procedure. So it is not suitable for every country. Maybe it is affordable to some countries, maybe it is not affordable to another. So it is closed system. But it is the first system to use calibration or coded workflow in the scan body. Okay? But the second kit, let's move in. The second kit is Apollo, for example. Apollo is example is prosthetic company in Poland. It gives us the extension or horizontal scan body, and after we make matching, we go for Apollo library. So the prosthetic component is Apollo. It's not the original implant, and it maybe give a question mark. What if I want to use the original? There is no conversion library. Maybe you're thinking about to make a conversion library. When I take a scan with Apollo, you give me the original scan body, and I will show you another competitor who make this. Okay, Apollo ScanLader, from point of view, it's not good enough. We're struggling, and it gives us a very bad result, ScanLader, for design issue. But anyway, it's another option. You can see in this video the design and the method and the method scanner struggling to get the scan everywhere. It struggled with this type of scan body. It's a 900 scanner with a laptop with high-end specification. I will show you another comparison. It takes a lot of time, sometimes, to make matching for one scan body. So from my point of view, it's not a reliable solution. ScanLader. Okay, for one is IO-Connect, one of the best. But unfortunately, they make agreement with 3Shape. But we can use it with Medit, and I use it with Medit, and all of, I think most of Medit users use this scan body. Even some dealer of Medit is the same dealer of IO-Connect in most of country, and we can use. But as I told you in the first, you should thinking about to be very smart to make a specific scan tip for central scan strategy. We need this type of tip. We need a tip to make scan in the center only. It may be large, very large. We didn't mind. It will take only the scan in the center. We will use it in the soft tissue or in the teeth. Okay, why IO Connect is very smart? Why? Can you tell me why? Simply because it didn't depend on soft tissue. You remember the problem in two things, the scan body and the soft tissue. IO Connect is very smart because it didn't depend on soft tissue. We only take the center part of the scan body. Did we depend on soft tissue on this? No. We didn't need soft tissue on this stage. We need only it like a photogrammetry. In the mindset of thinking, photogrammetry, we take the picture of photogrammetry flags without soft tissue, without depending on soft tissue. We take the coordination XYZ of the scan flags without depending on anything. It's a same idea. So sometimes they called it grammetry, not photogrammetry, grammetry. Yeah, it's a point of marketing. They love this a lot, marketing tools. Okay, so we scan only the center part. No need for the whole scan body, no need for soft tissue. Only this in 3 seconds. Then we take the soft tissue, scan as regular, and third party scan software, which is IO Connect software, merge both together. Okay? You try it by yourself, this workflow, or never you try this? I hope you get a model and get the kit and make the same workflow as our in the clinic and make conversion in the software so you be used for the same scenario, okay? And third party software make merging of both together. This is the software through abutment software. You can see there is a huge difference in the actual position of a scan body when we take it from only the central scan, more when we take the peripheral scan. There is a deviation in every position of the scan body. You can see the difference in curve. Okay, let's see the workflow. The workflow, you must see two scan body in the same frame. You understand me? In the same frame, you should see two scan bodies. It takes about 3-4 seconds. But if you make a large tip to make it in 1 second, it will be more accurate. Definitely. If the scan tip can see 3 scan bodies in the same frame, it will be more accurate. Okay? So this is a central scan strategy. Sometimes if we change the filter, we struggle like this. We make the filter off. Sometimes it takes more time. So we need to modify the filter and the scan catalog to be used for central scan strategy in the least time and least frames. Okay? I want you to see this video carefully. This is a scan body caps with the soft tissue. See the I900 scan. And it's maxilla. It's supposed to be an easy case. Do you see the double image? Double image in one. It is struggle with metal scan. It not scan easily. I will compare the same case with another scanner brand. Let's see in this video, the same case, the same laptop, the same operator. I am not speed anything in this case or this case. Can you see the difference? In time, in everything? I'm not happy to tell you this, but the metal scan and soft tissue scan need a lot of improvement from you. Need to be more smoother, not to be more predictable. You can see, you can compare the same laptop, the same operator, the same patient, and it is a Chinese brand. You can see the difference. There is a difference. We try to compare every scanner nowadays with the performance with another scanner in the same situation, in blood situation, in metal situation, in soft tissue situation. So please improve metal and soft tissue scan. You can see the difference. The picture tell you the difference completely. I can send you the material and everything. You don't need to take picture or video. I can send everything to you, even the presentation as well. Whole the presentation. I can make it, give it to you. You can review it many times. And I am open to discuss with you at any time. My email and my contact for anything. Okay? Okay, you can see the difference between the performance and the central scan. Okay, this is another technology